Good morning, viewers, and welcome to episode 16. We made it through this super boring night by doing, well, pretty much next to nothing. Except I sort of got prepped today. Today I want to go out on a cave dive to hopefully get some more iron. We are, however... Oh, we were. Looks like the zombie went away. Okay. I was gonna say that we were trapped here by a zombie, but, looks like he was courteous enough to move at least a little bit. Not quite sure where, but I will take it. So I had a thought just a minute ago that we should just make a tunnel. Spider? Oh. Yes, I would love a spider, please. We could use some... Oh, geez, glitching out. Ah, no string. That's a bummer. Anyway, we're gonna go cave diving in the hopes of finding more... Well, we're trying to go cave diving, but it appears that mobs and everything want us to not go cave diving. Excellent. Okay, so we made a bone club, and we made this bone club because apparently, according to the tests that Vyoki and Charlie did, it does the same amount of damage as an axe. Might have less durability though, so perhaps it's not worth the time. But it looks like that was worth it. So we're going to start our cave dive. Going down into this area that we already know. Oh, wait, hold that thought for just a second. We want some extra blocks for building. Okay, I think that'll do for now. Don't want to spend too much time on this. Because while daylight isn't the most necessary thing, it is a restrictor on how we want to get back home. Speaking of which, I'm going to start a timer so that I know approximately how much time I have down here. Okay. Oh dear. That's not friendly. Well, leave me alone. Okay, so that should keep us a little safe. There's a lot of coal in the area. But what I want is this iron. Just hoping that nothing shoots me from down below. And we will get ourselves that sweet, sweet iron. Oh yeah. Okay, so there is iron right there, but we can't get to it too easily. We can maybe... I must just be just a fraction too low for this. Unless hitting it again gets it. Okay. Alright, perfect. So I guess it takes 2 to get through a block, which is fine. I'm going to light a single torch because these others were running low. So these should actually be just below this. Oh, nope. That is in strata that we cannot reach. Okay. I'm going to do this, build myself a stair back up so we can just grab this iron and hopefully be relatively safe. Excellent. Oh, of course, there must be a skeleton around, because why wouldn't there be? Go ahead and grab some of this coal. so that we can be more frivolous with our torches if we so desire. Okay. Gonna mine this from this side. Excuse me. So something that we will have to do. Sorry. I'll try to edit that down. Oh wow. Okay. That's interesting. Is it? Yes. Okay. I don't know how I didn't notice this before. But luckily it looks like I wasn't missing anything by missing it, so let's go ahead and get this coal. And then grab this back. Yeah, we'll go ahead and grab this too. So let's see, we currently have 4 chunks of iron ore. I do not know how much it takes to make any of the iron tools. Oh, right! On the other side was the mine shaft. This has to be part of that. Okay. So do I want to mess with this water that might or might not be keeping me safe? I am not sure. I do know, however, that I don't want to be using up all of my energy jumping around. How much longer do we have on these torches? Not long at all. So let's get another one at the ready. And then... okay, yeah, that's right. So we are going to keep that blocked off, because that's a bit safer. Going to quick grab some of this. And then we're going to finish blocking that off, because the rest of it is just entirely too dangerous. Okay. Yep, there go those old torches. So I'm really tempted to try to go down this way, but it looks like it's not going to be safe. So let us instead just take our pillaging out of here. While we have our resources, we'll go ahead and head back. And I think this is what it's going to be like for the next time or two. Just like running down, grabbing some resources, and running back out so that we don't die. Because I would very much prefer to not die quite yet. I've had enough of that, thank you. So let's see here. Sugarcane's coming along pretty nicely. Gonna go ahead and set up more of it to grow. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just set all of it growing. That way, we should have a pretty good supply of it in the near future. In the more immediate time frame, though, we are quickly going to run out of this stone pickaxe and are going to need another one. Just got some iron. Iron nougat. Oh, forgot to set that there. And not, yeah, nougat. I mean, it's nugget, but whatever. Alright, get that cooking. Piles of gravel. So now we're left with 2 torches that are going to run out, unfortunately. But we did get more coal, so that is nice. Set these torches over here. We'll get another bone club at the ready. Yeah, actually, if we set up some sort of tunnel from here to that cave, we could cave at any time of day. How could we do a tunnel? We would need to have a roof. The roof would have to be logs. Okay, well, to that end, I am going to run out of daylight really quickly here. Okay, so much for that idea. It was exciting at first, and now it's not really implementable. So let's instead just spend a minute or two grabbing these logs, because this place doesn't need a roof. We'll tear it down eventually, I assume. Build our own buildings. Well, this is just rude. Okay. Alright. So it's nighttime. Not much we can do in the night. Is that... That might be some webs over there. That's a bit of a hike, but it might be worth it in the near future, because while there is a source of string down in that mine shaft, the mine shaft's going to be pretty darn dangerous. And I don't know if I want to keep trying to do anything with it. We're still okay on food. We have a decent supply of wood. We have a bunch of junk that we can't quite get rid of. I could toss stuff. I'm not really gonna do anything with rotten flesh right now, or feathers. You know what I could do is go out clay hunting, but I don't know how necessary that is right now either. Yeah, I think our best bet is to continue cave diving so that we can continue gathering iron and either get an iron axe. Actually, yeah, iron axe is probably our best bet, because then we can make a crafting table and chests and whatnot. And that will expedite our ability to build a safer base, which is really good. I'm debating if the pickaxe or hoe would be best after that. My first inclination is that it's the hoe, so that we can get a sustainable food source with chickens. Granted, we don't have any seeds yet, so we might have to go exploring for that. Decisions. But it all doesn't matter until I have enough iron to make those tools anyway. And I'm really not certain what sort of resources they require. So let's see. In the current way of things, in order to make an axe, you need 1, 2 stone, and a string. That makes you a stone axe. If the iron one's any similar at all, then you'll need... Well, previously it was this would be 2 iron bars, right? That would mean a lot more nuggets than what I have, which will take some time. But we have an okay system going here. As long as I don't get too crazy with my adventuring and cave diving, and risk taking in particular, then we should be okay. One thing I'm looking forward to is having a tool that we can just dig a staircase down with. That'll be nice. Let's see. I'm gonna use up a little bit of the pickaxe durability on this to shunt these around to make more window type things and give us a little more space later. Probably should have put them over here. Protect from arrows and whatnot. But if we're really under attack, we can, you know, jump over into the more secure area here. I assume there's a zombie. Yep. Not much point in killing you though, Mr. Zombie. It would just waste energy and bone and club durability. I don't think keeping this wood club around is worth anything anymore. What I really don't want is those skeletons to see me and start attacking. So maybe I should stop sticking my neck out at them. That would be a good idea. Mr. Spider, come over here so I can kill you. No big deal. Just come on over. Oh, another shovel. That's a shovel. Shovel. Come here, Mr. Shovel-wielding zombie. You know you want to come at me. Oh, he's definitely coming over here. That's awesome. So we might have a new mission in the morning. Oh yeah, I was also talking about the mission of shoring up the lake shore so they stop going in it. Okay, so that zombie's definitely gonna be here. That's excellent. Oh, he's gonna be on an unreachable side though, isn't he? Yeah, and those guys are gonna start shooting. That's no good. Yeah, I wonder how much of a priority I should put on fortifying this place. It doesn't really make any progress towards the iron resource, but it would make it safer, which is, you know, a good thing. Ooh. I wish that spider was a little closer. I would totally come bait him over here. But I don't have... I wonder if it would be worth making a bridge that way too, so that I could entice mobs towards me. So I think this is a little far. I could just make it... Oh, spider, come here. This is when I was talking about the whole not taking risks thing. This was what I was talking about. Because if that skeleton had seen us, he most certainly would have shot us off that log. And that would have been unpleasant. But in the short term, that spider was very kind. Let's see if I recall, this has 4 stages. Okay, so that'll be the 4th one. So we can go get that when the spider is less angry with us. Oh, that's the zombie with the shovel. Oh, there's his buddy. I was wondering. And now this zombie is totally worth killing. You, sir, are worth the energy. Definitely worth it. Which means it's worth killing his friend too, because then we can, you know, safely. Get the shovel. Yep. Okay. Bone club. Come here, little guy. Perfect. Okay. Morning's coming. As soon as that bad boy starts to burn, then we can start doing stuff. Granted, the spider will still be aggroed on us. Because apparently Mr. Flower Child made them stay aggroed longer. But there's the shovel. Sweet. Oh, well, it'll be useful a long time from now. For now, it's not really worth it. I mean, it has a couple hits on it, so maybe it is worth it. Just use it until it's out of durability. Apparently that skeleton is hiding underneath a leaf that's right there. Alright, so today, we should probably go on another cave dive. But I think I want to do that after I figure out chisel. That's right. I bet we do need iron. Ugh. Which means I need more iron. And in order to try crafting anything, I need to go over there, which is next to him. What a jerk. What a jerk. Well, we don't have any choice, so just make a thing of it. Garden. Yes, got him. Alright, more bones. Ooh, and a bow. A bow with 2 shots. Apparently, spiders are just bugging out in my game right now. Walking through walls and stuff. I guess that's technically a floor, but you get the point, right? Right. Okay, so let's go get this web, shall we? And by web, I mean string. And is this just taking forever because I'm in the water? Maybe. Yep, it's taking forever because I was in the water. Alright, that's fine. That's fair. You're underwater holding your breath. You're not going to be able to actually do much in the way of anything productive. Okay, so yes, I think today is a good day to make that tunnel that I was talking about. So we're going to very slowly and carefully, oh, yep, use up that shovel already, which is fine. Let's go grab the other one quick. Put this one down out here. Grab this one. So we have 3 sugarcane. I believe it's 4 to make wicker. But then I don't know what is up from there. But it doesn't matter too much. Okay, so we're just gonna grab all of this. This is fine, we're totally not wrecking the landscape, don't mind us. Let's put down more sugar cane since I'm not doing anything with it right this moment. Okay, I'm gonna put down the flour because I'm not doing anything with it. And then we'll begin the tunneling process. So, yeah, come on up, Mr. Zombie. It's totally safe. Not harmful to your health in the slightest. Oh, is he not gonna die before he reaches me? Jeepers! You have so much health! Fire, burn him faster! No, seriously, like, kill him already. Jeepers, criminally. Okay. Tunnel. Well, we're gonna want it covered this way, so let's grab these. We will just make this as straight of a straight shot as possible. We're gonna put down dirt all through here. Should be fine still. And then our tunnel will start... Well, we'll just wall this off. Right? Yeah. Okay, so we made that direction safe for the most part. We are still gonna just make it a full-on tunnel the whole way, I think. Despite being safe enough-ish. This is nice, but more so in the way than anything. And then we will wrap around here. So we don't want this. Let's block that off. If we put a thing here, nothing should be able to get up at us. One, okay. Alright, so if we're making it as straight of a straight shot as possible, and then we can make it stairs this way. Or not stairs, slabs. And then tone one. And then slab it up right here. And we'll block it off over this direction. So the current disadvantage, or vulnerability, one is it's not done, obviously. Two, while this is too high, it's not enough. So I'm going to temporarily put slab here. Maybe we could... It would take a lot of logs, though. I mean, either way, it's going to be a lot of resources. Right? Right. Just trying to make this as safe as possible. It might be that I'm wasting time. Maybe I'm trying to reinforce something that I shouldn't do. Especially with using up this iron shovel that is quite valuable. But at the same time, if we can make this super safe, then I can keep cave diving at night and whatnot, instead of having to wait during the day. Fine. So with that in mind, I'm just going to keep doing that. That could be dirt. And we're gonna live with that being exposed for now. We're gonna try this. Okay, so now things can't really get in over there, which is what I was worried about. Spiders can, obviously. Well, here, just solve the problem. Ta-da. Alright, cool. Pretty slick. And then eventually we can wall this off too. But now we need to put these shovels somewhere safe. And let's make another bone club, because that guy was generous enough to die. We're gonna run out of daylight again. I'm going to risk it a little bit and chop up some wood. Okay, those are webs over there, so if we go on an adventure, we can go get string, which can replenish some of our stone tools. Mostly worried about the pickaxe, and now we're going to want a stone shovel, which is fine. We can totally make that now without fear of anything. Whatever, I'll use up this durability. Okay, time to head back. Most definitely. Okay, I think at this point I need to stop trying to grow the sugarcane farm and just get sugarcane. Oh, so one flaw in this system is... Oh, things can totally get in. I'm an idiot. Okay. Well, it's fine. We haven't exposed any of this quite yet, so that's not an issue. We don't have any food to cook. We don't have... I don't really have much to do this evening. Okay. Well, I think it's been about a half an hour. Ooh, that's gonna be dark. Let's just go hide over here by this lovely light-producing lava so that we don't get gloom. On that note, I'm going to just chill for the rest of the night. And in tomorrow's episode, in the next episode, we will just go ahead and go on another cave dive. We'll make a stone pickaxe before that. But yeah, we'll go on another cave dive, go after some more iron, and hopefully start getting somewhere with all of that shenanigans. Alright, well, on that note, thanks for watching. We will catch you next time. Adios.